Now we have the equilibrium level of income when we have the equality between y minus Ey and Ty here. And when this equilibrium level of income is stable, when the slope of y minus Ey is greater than the slope of Ty. So here the y minus Ey schedule is positively sloped and Ty schedule is negatively sloped. So automatically slope of y minus Ey is greater than slope of Ty. Now what is slope of y minus Ey? We know that we have already derived that the slope of y minus Ey is s. So s should be greater than the slope of Ty, which is equal to minus m. So s is 1 minus c, so this is greater than minus m. So from here we are getting c minus m is less than 1. So this is the stability condition. So the stability condition is that the difference between the marginal propensity to consume and the marginal propensity to import should be less than 1. So in that case we will have the stability in the equilibrium level of national income. Now if there is a change in the exogenous export, so there is a change in export. So suppose del xx is greater than 0. So in that case, this trade balance schedule, this will shift to the rightward direction because Ty is equal to x minus my. So when x, this exogenous component is increasing, so in that case this Ty schedule will shift to the rightward direction. And here this y minus, there will be no change in y minus Ey, so we have the higher level of equilibrium income. So with the higher amount of export, we will have the higher level of equilibrium income. Now what is happening here? When export is increasing, and since the economy is demand determined by assumption, then that means equilibrium level of income is also increasing. Now when equilibrium level of income is increasing, then import is also increasing because we know that import is a function of y. So import is increasing. So in that case, what is trade balance? Trade balance is equal to export minus import. So x is increasing here initially. For that y is increasing, and when y is increasing then m is increasing. So this component is increasing and this component is also increasing. So we are not sure about the effect of x on t, that we have to find out. Because if we change x, then if we increases x, then m also increases. So we do not know what will be the resultant effect on t because of the increase in x, that we have to check. So first we are considering dy dx, and then we will be considering dt dx. So we are considering y is equal to C, national income identity, that is C plus I, y is equal to C plus I plus G plus x minus m. And from here we can write C plus I minus m plus G plus x. And we have introduced this term Ey. Ey is equal to what? C plus I plus G. And this can be written as dy plus G. So this can be, so this is what? C plus I plus G can be written as C plus I minus m plus G plus m. So this is equal to dy plus G plus m. So this is Ey basically. So from here we can write y is equal to